This MagSafe feels super strong and super sturdy on there, so I like that. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this slew of different iPhone 15 Pro Max cases and accessories from Speck right here. So before I start doing that, I do have to give a huge thank you to Speck for sending these guys out to me for free in order to make this video about them. So thank you very much. But anyway, let's start opening them up. Here we go. So first, let's start getting these cases out. So here we have the Presidio 2 Grip, then here the Presidio Perfect Clear, and lastly, we've got the Presidio 2 Pro over here in black. So quite an assortment of cases. We can pop these MagSafe accessories out as well. And let's see, first we've got the standy grip for MagSafe right here. And we've also got the wallet for MagSafe right here. We can pop this out as well. And now since we've got the whole lineup out, let's grab my 15 Pro Max. And first I think I'll pop it into the Presidio 2 Pro. And let's see, this looks really cool actually on my titanium gray iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's play a bit with this MagSafe stand. That's pretty cool that it's got a kickstand built into it that can actually rotate as well. So we can go ahead and prop it up at an angle like this. This angle, of course, would be good for watching YouTube videos of yours truly if you wanted. And then also I'm noticing that this part pops open, so you can also, you can also prop it up like this. This would maybe be good for a FaceTime call. And another thing that I've kind of just picked up on as well is that this MagSafe feels super strong and super sturdy on there. So I like that. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off. You have to actually try pretty hard to pull it off. So that's kind of cool right there. So next I'm going to pop on the Perfect Clear right here. And it's just a pretty standard clear case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's got silver MagSafe rings, Speck logo there. It's got, side button over here. It's got the volume buttons over here. And then of course, last but not least, it's got the action button right here, which I have set up to use my camera. But now let's go ahead and try out the MagSafe wallet with this case right here, and also clips on very nice and sturdy. And if you're curious why it feels so sturdy, I noticed that there's actually a cutout right here on the bottom of the MagSafe array and a bit of an area that kind of pops into it. So because of that, once it clicks into place, it really feels in place there. So that's kind of a cool idea Speck has. And then folks, last but not least here, we have the grip case. Now this is my favorite case from Speck because it's very unique to them and it has these cutouts right here of these ridges that make the case feel grippier in the hand. And I also just think it's a very cool design. You'll also notice down here, it's got a cutout for Speck's, more secure MagSafe arrangement there. So also sticks on very solid. And in addition to this very nice shade of blue here that matches perfectly with this MagSafe wallet, there's gray corner areas as well, in addition to gray buttons on this case. And I will say, I think this gray really complements the gray color of my 15 Pro Max here. So I think, once again, this is a very good looking case. And I also think the same about this Pro case right here. But if I had to pick one of these, I would definitely pick this grip case because it just looks so cool. And let's see how cool it looks with this. Yeah, this also looks good, but I think the blue fits in a bit better just because it is blue. So yeah, pretty fun here, all these Speck cases and accessories. But yeah, folks, with that, that'll do it for this Warenotice unboxing of these Speck accessories right here. So definitely feel free to let me know down in the comments what you think of them if you have them yourselves. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.